Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable and disable app drawer on Samsung M35 device. Well, the option to enable or disable the app drawer allow for personalization of the device interface. By choosing whether to use the app drawer, you can tailor the home screen layout to suit your preferences, workflow, and organizational style, creating a user-friendly and personalized experience. Okay, so let's go with the tutorial. To begin customizing your device home screen settings, access the Settings menu. So, scroll through the option and choose the home screen settings. Okay, within this menu, tap on the first option available. Then select Home and App Screen to configure your home screen layout. Okay, finally, click the Apply button to save the changes and update your home screen configuration. But if you wish to remove the app drawer from your home screen, follow a similar process. Open the Settings menu, enter to the home screen settings here, and select the first option. Okay, next, activate the home screen only to remove the app drawer from the home screen layout. Okay, last click on Apply to confirm the changes and enjoy a simplified home screen interface without the app drawer. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable and disable app drawer on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.